Hello student, myself Professor Yadav. In today's session we are discussing about essential for photosynthesis, that is light. Okay. So visible light is essential for or play important role in photosynthesis. Okay, the range of visible light is 390 nanometer to 760 nanometer, and the ranging of light from 390 nanometer to 760 nanometer is called as PAR, photosynthetically active radiation. Okay, so when we are talking about light, there are two main factor. One is quality of light and other is quantity of light. When we are talking about quality of light, which means wavelength, and when we are talking about quality of light, it means intensity of light. Okay, so these two, quality as well as quantity of light, affect the rate of photosynthesis. So there are various pigments like photosynthetic pigment, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, xanthophyll and carotene. These pigments absorb different wavelength of light. So that is called as absorption spectrum. What is the absorption spectrum? Absorption spectrum means the spectrum of light absorbed by plant, that is called as absorption spectrum. Absorption spectrum obtained by spectrophotometer. Okay, and the result of spectrophotometer is interpreted by graph. Okay, so this chlorophyll pigment absorb different wavelength of light, and that light is represented by spectrophotometer. And let us draw the diagram of our graph. Okay, so the range of visible light is 390 nanometer to 760 nanometer. Okay, so there is in between 400, 500 and 600. Okay, so when we pass the light from prism and we get our light broken into 7 spectra, that is nothing but Vigueur. Okay, Vigueur. So chlorophyll A absorb different wavelength of light, and it is represented by blue color. So it's showing okay. So chlorophyll A absorb maximum light at blue region as well as at the red region. Okay, so chlorophyll A absorb maximum light at the blue region and at the red region. And second pigment is chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll B is also absorb maximum light at in between blue green region as well as in red region. Then carotene absorb maximum light in between green and yellow, and same for phycobilin is also absorb maximum light in the in between green and yellow light. So chlorophyll A showing two different peak, okay, in the blue region and red region. So chlorophyll A absorb maximum light of blue as well as red light, and chlorophyll B absorb maximum light in between blue green, okay, and red light. Then third is carotene absorb maximum light in between green and yellow light, and same for phycobilin. So phycobilin also absorb green yellow light, or in between green yellow light. So these graph represent the absorption of light by photosynthetic pigment. So chlorophyll A showing two peak at the blue region as well as at the red region. So chlorophyll A absorb maximum light, and this absorption is interpreted by absorption action spectrum. Okay, so action spectrum is performed by experiment performed by Engelmann. Okay, and the Engelmann concluded or represent the result in the form of graph. Okay, before plotting the graph, we discussed about experiment of Engelmann. He exposed the algae into spectrum of light. So we take algae, this is water, and okay, so these algae exposed into spectrum of light. So Engelmann concluded or observed in the blue region and in the red region, involvement of oxygen is more. Okay, so he concluded that more oxygen mean the rate of photosynthesis is high. Okay, because in the photosynthesis oxygen is a byproduct. If more oxygen liberated out, so as more oxygen liberated out means rate of photosynthesis is very high, but little bit oxygen or little oxygen involved in the other region. So he plotted a graph, wavelength 390, 400, then 500, 600 and 760. Okay, then he plotted a graph against absorption. Okay, he plotted graph at the blue region and A. So these graph overlapped on the absorption spectrum. Then we find the chlorophyll A absorb maximum light. Because here this absorption takes place at the blue region and red region. So these graph, when which superposed on the absorption spectrum, then we conclude that chlorophyll A absorb maximum light, and it when chlorophyll A absorb maximum light, it means chlorophyll A absorb maximum light and it increase the rate of photosynthesis, and it absorb two light spectrum of light. One is blue region and other is red region. Okay, so main important of spectrum. So chlorophyll A absorb maximum light, okay, and chlorophyll A is also nothing but reaction center. क्या बोलते हैं? Reaction center. Okay, so quickly what is the light? Light is essential for photosynthesis, and the range of visible light is 390 to 760 nanometer, and this ranging light is called as PAR, photosynthetically active radiation. And two main factor of light is affect the rate of photosynthesis. One is quality and other is quantity. So quality, when we are talking about quality, which mean we talking about wavelength, okay, and intensity means quantity of light, how much light needed. Okay, so different in the photosynthetic pigment. So different photosynthetic pigment absorb different wavelength of light. Sorry. So absorption spectrum obtained by spectrophotometer. So these result is represented by graph. Chlorophyll A absorb maximum light at the blue region and at the red region, and chlorophyll B also absorb or showing two different peak against absorption. It absorb blue region and red region. Okay, so carotene absorb light in between green and yellow region, and phycobilin also absorb green and yellow colored light. So this spectrum photometer is interpreted by action spectrum, and this experiment performed by Engelmann exposed the algae with 7 spectra of light. So this algae is exposed by violet color, and these algae exposed by indigo, and these blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So Engelmann concluded that at the blue region and at the red region maximum oxygen evolved. Okay, so he plotted graph against the absorption. Okay, so Engelmann got 2 peak. Okay, so one at the blue region and at the red region, and these graph superposed on absorption spectrum. Then he concluded that chlorophyll A absorb maximum light. Okay.